Hey guys, Hector here. Welcome back. I'm here at the road crossing at Lake Hughes Road in Lake Hughes, and we're right off the PCT. I'm gonna decide what side of this trail I want to take, and let's go and explore and see what we find. All right, let's take the high road. Alright guys, came up on this big old branch here on the trail. Let's do some trail maintenance and try and get it off. Alright, now that we got that obstacle out of the way, let's keep going. Got a massive dry creek bed here. This whole area pretty burnt up. Not sure how long ago the fire was. Well, a lot seems to be growing back already. Still a lot of scars. Alright, let's see what we've come up on. Looks like a cart of some sort. Looks like it got washed down here with the rains or something. Here's the view. Two dry riverbeds come to one and cross Lake Hughes Road there. Alright guys, we're just pushing along, seeing what we find. Of course, enjoying the beautiful views. Just glad got to get out on my own today. It's nice when get to hike with friends, but I do also enjoy hiking by myself. Alright guys, as I was hiking up the trail here, see a small cave in here. Doesn't seem to go back very far, maybe about 10 feet. Alright guys, come across some pretty decent sized rocks here on the trail. Let's get them cleaned up. Alright, so we got it all nice and clear here. Let's keep going up. Alright, we're getting some pretty good elevation here. As you can see. Going up, up, up. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the trail. When we came up, it goes all the way down. We keep heading up. Alright, so it's leveling out a bit. Then as you can see around the corner, just go straight up. Oh, check this out. Doesn't go back very far. Pretty cool. Alright guys, let's keep moving along. I was debating on going in that cave, but it's pretty muddy in there, so I opted to not. So let's keep going and see what else we find or run into. Alright guys, here's the view that I'm enjoying. Give you a 360 view. That's the top of the mountains. Alright, we're still climbing. Gonna turn up there. And straight up. Alright guys, we're still going up. Weather's changing. It's getting a lot colder than it was. So we're heading up into these mountains, and there's low clouds here. Funny, I just turned the corner and temperature dropped quite a bit. We have reached the seasonal spring. Just after a couple of storms we had here. It's blowing pretty good. Alright guys, that just about wraps it up. It's as far as we're gonna go and explore. Found some nice cool spots. Did some trail maintenance. Had a good time. Got to get out in the middle of the week. What more can I ask for? Time to head back. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Here's the first mine that we discovered. I thought it only went back like 10 feet. Goes pretty far back. I would go and explore it, but I'm solo today, so might have to come back with the boys and check out this mine. That's all the view you get for now. Till next time.